Good morning, everyone. So welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing another vlog. I believe you guys like my vlogs. I love filming them. I love vlogging. So I hope you guys enjoy them because I'm doing another one. So today's Thursday and I don't have any classes. If you guys are like confused on like where I am in life and like college and all that, I will link the video that I talk about literally everything up here. Talk about my classes, my schedule, my living situation. Obviously I talk about everything. You guys need to go watch it if you're confused. But it's Thursday. I don't have classes. Usually I work on Thursday and I don't work today, which is amazing. So I just caught up on sleep. I didn't set an alarm, which I normally do even like on the weekends and stuff, but I just let my body wake up whenever it felt like it, and it was like 10:50. So I was so tired yesterday. It's been a long week. College is hard. But I am gonna film like a college day in my life for you all, so if you're interested, stay tuned for that. I just thought I'd wait until I get a little bit more comfortable. I'm only going into my 3rd week. Next week will be my 3rd week, so I just want to get a little bit more comfortable. Then I'll do it for you guys. But for right now, we're gonna do this. And I love college so far. Like, I really do. It's awesome. It's just a little stressful, but I really like it. I already have my first speech and everything. Like, they're just piling it on. They are not holding back. So today, I'm not gonna give you an agenda because stay tuned for the vlog. I have a few errands to run, have a massage appointment that I can't wait for. I used to get them like every month and I haven't gotten them in like 3 months. Then I'm gonna catch up on some homework, so nothing too crazy today. I love you guys and enjoy the vlog. So I just take these 3 things, just like the iced coffee from Starbucks, this creamer that isn't almond milk, it's not good for you, but whatever, and then almond milk, and I am gonna try to put these Vital Proteins collagen peptides in there today. Usually you put these in smoothies or really whatever you want, but my mom said to try it in coffee. You know what time it is? Mini haul time. So, as you guys may know if you keep up with me, which I hope you do, I just uploaded a haul last video. And the items that I'm about to show you came like a few days later after that haul. So I was like really sad because I wanted to include them in the haul. And I have more coming, so stay tuned for another vlog for another haul. It's really bad. My addiction with clothes is really bad. But I'm going to show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I got are these Champion shorts, and they're so cute. I think like Emma Chamberlain wears these all the time in like different colors and stuff, but I'm not as fun as her. I need to have like black as like a staple. But they're like a really good like sweat short material, and like I don't know, they're super cute. Okay, the next thing that I got is this really cute end tee, and like a lot of like social media influencers and like YouTubers have this shirt, and I got it, and it's so cute, and it's like distressed, and it's got like rips and stuff, or tears, and it's a little wider than it is long, which I'd rather have it long and narrow because I'm not long and narrow, but I'm not wide and short. So, well, I am short, but I don't think I'm wide. I don't know, it's just like a weird cut, but I still like it. All right, the next thing is actually on a hanger, but it's this distressed little sweater, and it's like this ribbed, oh, come through. This is like material, but it's got like these little frillies, and it like honestly it's really cute, and it's like cropped, and I just think this would be cute with literally anything. The last thing that I got is this is adorable. Okay, it's this green tie up top. I don't have it tied right, so that's why it looks a little awkward, but it's got these star detailing. Look how pretty it is. Like, I just think it is so fun and girly, and this color looks really good because I have like hazel eyes, so it brings out the green in them, and I just thought this would be so cute with like a black high-waisted skirt. So that is all for my haul. Now I'm gonna drink my coffee and probably watch some YouTube, and then I'm gonna get ready. This is Michaela. She left me for college.
I'm at LU. I don't know if you know what that means. I'm with my friend Tori.
I love you.
I love you.
So this is the glam that I went for today. Just something like really like soft and like not too much. I literally just put on this like tinted moisturizer, like the Bye Bye foundation. It's basically like a tinted moisturizer. I love it. It is like perfect if you like full coverage, but you won't like something like more like moisturizing and not like as heavy as a foundation. This is freaking awesome. And then I'm obsessed with this Tatcha primer. Oh my god, I put this in my VIB haul or my Sephora appreciation haul. I'll link it up here if you guys want to check it out. But update on that, my mom actually gave it to me because she didn't really like it, but I gave her some more of my like primer, so don't worry. All right, I'm gonna get changed now. So this is the outfit that I chose for today. I don't know if you guys can like see it because it's like in this little corner back here, but it's just this t-shirt and it says "and." I showed it in my mini haul at the beginning of this vlog, and then the shorts that I showed too. I'll probably end up wearing this outfit tomorrow to class because it's so comfy, but yeah, I'm gonna wear it today too. The massage was a success. It was freaking awesome. It kind of hurt, not gonna lie. I mean, I'm gonna have to deal with it because I have to get them. If you guys are confused like why I get massages, or you think it's just like a luxury, it's like I was born with this condition called Erb's palsy. It's like where when I was born they pulled on my neck to get me out and it caused nerve damage, so this shoulder like droops and this arm like isn't straight, and I'm like right-handed, so I had to teach myself to do everything on my left, and I think I've talked about it a little bit before, but anyways, so my shoulder droops and like it like pulls forward and it causes a lot of tension in my neck and back, and yeah, so I really have to get them. And my masseuse told me that I'll probably have to go to the chiropractor eventually, but she like knows my condition and she really helps me out. And like stress too, like with starting school, it's really like been in my neck and I have a lot of like neck problems like that, so I have to get them like once a month, or I used to anyways. And then this whole summer I went without getting one, I believe, and I was doing good until school started, so thanks school. But right now I'm gonna go to the bank, and I'm not really gonna show you guys that because it's my bank and that's not safe. Okay, so we have a Roomba, apparently. Didn't know that. So if you hear in the background, that's what's going on. I'm freaking hungry. I'm so hungry. So my mom went to the store today and got me 2 avocados. So I'm just gonna make some avocado toast. I'm gonna show you what I use. I'm not gonna show you the whole process. Oh my Lord. So I just use normal white bread because my mom won't let me get wheat. And then I use the everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. This stuff is so good, like so good. And then I use pink Himalayan salt. This is like the only salt that I'll ever use. And then your avocado. So that's what I do. So a little fun fact about me, I actually used to hate avocado toast. Did you guys hear that? Oh my god. Bad boy. I used to hate avocado toast. The reason being, I didn't toast my freaking bread. Like, I don't know why I thought it was okay to not toast your bread and why I thought that avocado toast was avocado bread. Like, that literally, looking back at it, makes me like so upset with myself that I just don't understand what was going through my mind. I think it's good. For my dessert, cherries. And then this is my favorite drink right now, other than the Zevia soft drinks, of course. Oh, those are so good. This is the Honest unsweetened green tea. So I'm just gonna like eat my cherries and do some homework. So that's boring. I'll talk to you guys later. The most satisfying thing to me is crossing everything off of my list slash planner for the day. This is everything that I accomplished, and I accomplished it before 6 o'clock. That's pretty good. Hi guys, so it's a little while later, and obviously I'm in my filming room, if you guys couldn't tell. And can you guess what video I just filmed? Comment down below if you think you know. So I'm about to start editing. Well, I kind of was editing the vlog. I just imported all my footage to my external hard drive, and now I'm gonna go eat. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having, because I honestly have no idea. But my mom cooked tonight, so that's good. So I didn't have to like go get my own food. So we're gonna see what she cooked. It smells really good.
I think I like it. It needs a little bit of like a little dash of soy.
Is this mine?
I mean, if you don't have enough, I just want to show if you'd like it. I've got more over there. A little aminos on it. See what you think. Want some duck sauce?
Oh, I like these peppers. Okay guys, so it is a little while later. It is 9:30 and I have class tomorrow at 12. Yeah, 12. So I'm just going to end the vlog here so I can finish editing it. I'm almost done, so it didn't take me that long. But yeah, I just gotta take my makeup off and then I'm going to bed. So you're not really missing out on much. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was somewhat enjoyable. I didn't really do that much today, and it was probably pretty boring, but let me know what you guys think down below. Do not hesitate to give me video suggestions. I love hearing what you guys want me to film. I definitely listen. I literally read all your comments, so it just makes me so happy. And make sure you give it a thumbs up for more vlogs. Subscribe if you aren't already. Click the notification bell, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.